Alright, y'all. I got my little dinky tripod out here if it don't fall over. But, believe it or not, I've hit the bucket, I've hit the snowman cup. Now we're gonna try the top cup. Oh, and I'm probably good 50 feet away. Right there. There we go. Oh.
The birds all gossip in the nearby tree. Who's this man wreaking havoc? Carefree. The wind whistles, carries his laugh. A kid at heart on his backyard path. Target set bands, pulled back. Clay shatters with a thunderous crack. Cups go down with a mighty smack. Grumpy's grin, yeah, it's coming back. Spin with grown-up stuff, but Grumpy's here calling. Life's bluff, one slingshot snap, one joyful shout. A gentle rebel letting his heart out. Target set bands, pulled back. Clay shatters with a thunderous crack. Cups go down with a mighty smack. Grumpy's grin, yeah, it's coming back.
Alright, y'all. I'm just playing for a little bit. I don't want to waste all my stuff. Thank you. Alright, let's see. Let me zoom back in or zoom back out. Yeah. Alright, there's where my target's at. Across the yard. I'm sitting here on my porch. Sitting down when I shot that shot, those two shots. My camera was sitting on that bucket. And then targets are on that chair. I gotta make me a little catch back and all that stuff to keep catch my ammo and all. Oh, this was fun. Thank you. All right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. We're about mid-afternoon. I'm gonna try this again. Starting all over again. I don't know if I'm gonna be as lucky as I was a minute ago, but we'll see. Here is the bucket. I'm fixing to set the camera on there, zoom it all in, and try to get a shot out there. There is the target. I'm sorry, y'all. I say quit. Yo, I'll see it. There you go. All right, I'll zoom in with the editing software. Hopefully, if we need to. All right. I don't know, my gauge of distance ain't that great. I figure that's at least. That's at least 35, 40 foot for sure. Maybe 50. I'll measure it out here in a little while. But I'm sitting down in my chair next to the bucket, and I'm going to try to hit the little white bucket on top of the blue bucket. I hit the blue one or the white one, but I'm going for the white one. I was off to the side. Oof. We're getting close. I was lucky on that other shot. I haven't been playing with a slingshot long enough, but that's just it. Oh, bullseye! Yes, sir! Let's go! This is pretty cool. I feel like a little kid playing out here, but I got some aim. Yes, sir. And this is what I'm using. I don't know if I'm in camera or not. This is what Mr. Baz sent me. Bazzy. And I got the little clay ammo in there. That's not bad. Oh, I hit the frame. That's why I've been using the clay ammo. Like I said, I'm just lucky. I'm beginner's luck. I haven't played with Slingshot since I was a kid. I have shot. Now, don't think that's 3 or 4 shots my first time. I've been playing out here this morning, and I probably shot it 30 times already. But now I finally set up a target, and I'm not doing too bad. That was high. That was way high. But yeah, I still have to figure out how I'm supposed to be aiming. I try to aim with the band, and I do decent, and then I get frame shots, and then I do what that one guy was calling with just instinct aiming, using eyes open and just going with it. Ooh, that was instinct. I was way off. Not bad. This is the last one I'm going in. I'm going to try to aim. Too high, but at least I hit the chair. Alright, let me see. Sorry, y'all. Zoom it back down here. Alright, I want to go see where I hit in the little bucket. Y'all don't get seasick.
Grumpy's outside, sun's gleaming bright. Slingshot ready in the morning light. Practicing aim on a backyard stage. A grin so wide it skips.
I think I grazed the side of it, yeah. When I hit it, I didn't hit it dead on. I grazed. Where y'all at? I'm gonna cover that up. I caught the side right there. There we go. There's a little dimple right there. So it was sitting there, and I just did catch the side. But that's not bad. Not bad at all.
Go down like a carnival game. Every shot sparks a victory flame. Whistling tunes as the birds fly past. The moment's forever, but it goes so.
All right, y'all. Thank you for watching.